YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Thrax. I'm back in the building. We back here with another banger, y'all. We're gonna be hopping into another sneaker cop, another sneaker unboxing. Nike, y'all was playing with your boy a little bit this time, man. I don't know if it's what happened down in Memphis or what, but today we're gonna go ahead and dive into the Georgetown 6, the infamous, the great. If you're new here to the channel, go ahead and do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below if you like the video or if you don't like it. And y'all go ahead and share this out to everybody so they can see all this great content, man. Y'all go ahead and lock in with me. What's good, everybody? I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Your boy is having a marvelous day. I got home today and I finally had my Georgetowns outside. I ordered these almost 2 weeks ago, and I guess something happened down in Memphis. Truck got ramsacked. They kind of like, I don't know what happened, bro, but yeah, it delayed orders on Nike, so I ended up getting these today. These actually are a shoe that when they dropped on like Nice Kicks and Jordan release date and all that, I actually told myself by any means I'm getting these. So this was a must cop for me this year. I'm so glad that it came in. I was a little scared for a minute that they weren't gonna come in just because, you know, the shipping got delayed with Nike and everything, but they here now. So let's go ahead and hop into this review, my guy. Starting off, I'm gonna actually sit the shoe to the side and we're gonna go over this box. As y'all can see, it's got all the classic Jordan memorabilia and pictures and all the stuff that you could think of on here, man. You got the 11s, the 3s, 2s. You got the Winger advertisement that first came out back in the day. You got his iconic shots on here, posters that came out back in the day. This box is crazy, man. One of the most iconic boxes I think that we've gotten from Jordan. Outside of this being an OG box like the orange and black or one of the silver boxes or anything like that, or even the cases that the 17s came in, I think that this is definitely one of the best boxes that he has ever done. And I wish we could get a little bit more of these. I'm pretty sure all the collegiate boxes come like this. The Georgetowns, UNCs, Michigan PEs, all of that stuff. I'm pretty sure they all come in this box. As y'all can see, I did get that in a 9. It's a personal pair, just like all my other shoes. I plan on wearing these, so we'll see when I wear them, but I'll probably do a fit and throw that up on here so y'all can see that. Went and got these Georgetowns and I'm feeling them, bro. I'm feeling them. Go ahead, bro, check out that suede. Y'all saw from the last video, I was praising the suede, and this suede on here is oh so buttery, my boy. It is clean. That suede is so nice, man. For the Georgetowns, we got just the regular air on the back with the Jumpman. I ain't mad at that. Kinda did want that Nike air on the back, but I mean, a lot of the player PEs, they don't come with that on the back, so I can't be too upset. So we're gonna start off with that outsole. You got that icy bottom on there, translucent. You got the navy blue Georgetown Jumpman that's on the bottom, and then of course you got the gray that the Georgetown Hoyas rock when they go out there on the court, man. Super clean on the bottom, I'm loving that. Getting to that midsole, we're gonna have a regular air bubble. It's got a little bit of yellow into it. I don't know if they did that on purpose or not, but I think it's a good little contrast right there. And then around the bubble, you're just gonna have that white, and then you've got accents of blue on the midsole as well to complement that gray that you got. That toe box is gonna be all gray, and then you're gonna have that gray suede on the toe as well. And then getting into the upper, that's gonna be all gray as well. This is one of my favorite things about the shoe. I love shoes like this that have a solid color with a little bit of pop on that midsole. As y'all can see, I'm gonna go ahead and post the link up in the top so y'all can see some of the Nike Air Forces that I did, but I love that color blocking, man. I love how you take a solid color and just contrast it on the midsole like that. Ain't much to go over on the tongue. You got a blue Jumpman, and then you got that silver lace cover right there. And then you got a navy blue lace lock with a gray Jumpman on it. And then you also got gray laces to complement the rest of the shoe in the gray. Tongue's gonna be all gray. It looks like that insole is gonna be that navy blue. And then on the back, we got the navy blue on the pull tab, and your actual pull tab is gonna be gray as well. All right, so that was the left shoe. This is the right shoe, and nothing is different. This didn't come with any type of hang tags. Nothing is gonna differ from the left and the right shoe other than that one is left and the other one is the right shoe. I'm very, very lucky and happy that I got a pair of these. And I'm gonna say lucky because it's a shoe that I really wanted, and it kind of sat for a minute. Crazy that these sat, man. I mean, this ain't no Travis Scott or no Union LA or nothing like that. But I do feel like this was a very iconic shoe. This was a very sought after shoe. A lot of people was talking about getting it, and then come time to get the shoe, it kind of sat, bro. Like y'all dropped the ball. Everybody slept. So I'm not upset that y'all slept because I was able to get me a pair, and I might double back up and go get another one just because y'all sleeping on these. But I'm very, very happy that I was able to get a pair. Like I said, this was a must cop for me. Really wanted them, had to have them. I went ahead and got them when they came out, man. You can't go wrong with a pair of all suede 6s, bro. You really can't. The last video, everybody was kind of like messaging me and telling me, hey, you should have did a fit check. This ain't really gonna be a fit check, but this is something that I'm probably gonna rock with these 6s. I got the Atlanta Braves Letterman jacket, and it's got a little bit of gray and a little bit of red and everything. It's got the World Series printed on the back. I also got my A-Town hat. This is a classic. You can't go wrong with these. I think that's gonna go good with that navy blue that's in there, and then this gray, I'll probably find me a pair of gray jeans and I can throw that on with these, and I think that's gonna be a clean fit. If you're wondering how much these were, these came in at $200 retail. With Sneakers app, they actually let you use military discount, so I was able to use mine on these, so kind of for like $180, which is still, honestly, it pretty much like take care of the taxes and you get free shipping anyway. But I think that's a pretty good deal considering that Jordans keep going up and up and up. I mean, y'all might as well give the military folks a break, bro. Like, we need it. We really do. As I had mentioned before, the shipping took a little bit longer this time than it usually does. It usually takes about, honestly, it takes like a couple days anytime I order something from them. I order on like Saturday and it'll come on like a Tuesday or Wednesday. So a couple business days is what it usually takes. But like I said, that thing that happened down in Memphis, y'all backed up all the sneakers, man. Like, cool, y'all got y'all shoes and everything. I ain't no hater, bro. Like, get it how you live. But come on, man. Y'all was kind of holding up everybody else that was trying to get sneakers, bro. We want to eat too, man. Just like y'all want to eat. So this might be one of my last releases that I get this year. And I know I said that a couple releases back, but I think this is definitely like the last thing that I'm gonna get this year. Next year's lineup is gonna be crazy. Toro Bravo 6s are definitely on my radar. I definitely want to get those. The Laney 1s are definitely on my radar. I have to get those. I don't care what I have to sell. I don't care what I have to trade. I gotta get those shoes. So y'all be on the lookout. I'm definitely getting those. I'm definitely getting the Toro Bravo 6s, and then we're gonna see what else come out next year. Y'all get down in the comments. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this shoe. Tell me if y'all like it, if y'all don't, if y'all like the video and y'all don't. All that stuff, man. Just get down in the comments, leave me a quick, you can say hey down there if you want to, I don't care. Get down in the comments, leave me something down there. Y'all smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, share this out to everybody so they can see it, man. This has been Thrash That Kicks, and I'm out.